Okay, today we will talk about all and all selected. In this video, we will take the same example. We have one product table and the other is sale table. And if I show you the uh, diagram relationships, so we have product table and then we have the other sales table. And let's go to the report view and let's select color and we can make it little bit bigger. Okay, then we can put we have one measure here. This name is total sale, and the formula for the total sale you can have a look here. So this is the sales amount in the sale table. So what we can do, we can drag and drop to the visual, and here you can see we have colors and different, I mean these are the product colors, and for each product color we have different sales depending on the color of the product. Okay, what we can do is we have to see that how all function works. So let's create one measure. We can name this measure is like all sales. We have to use calculate function, and then we need to write total sale. This is the measure that we have already created. This is a sum of sales amount, and then we have to use all function, and this all function takes either table name or the column name. So what we can deliver here, what we can put as a parameter, the column name, color, product color, and then we can confirm this expression. Let's put the all sales to the visual. So you can have a look that we have total sales. This is 33 and 690,148, and the same amount is repeated everywhere through all the product colors. So why it is happening, let's go to the expression. So when we use calculate, in calculate, first of all the second I mean this is the expression part, total sale is the expression, and the next parameter is the filter parameter. When we use all, then all ignores everything. I mean what you will pass, if you are passing color single column, then it will ignore this color column. If you provide table, then it will ignore all the columns within the table. So that's why calculate is giving us the grand total across all the um, product colors, because now we have the current filter context is different colors. Black is one filter context, blue is the other, brown. But due to all product color function, this all ignores everything, and that's why we are getting the grand total everywhere for all the um, products. So it is very useful function if we need to compute a percentage. So how we will do this, we need to, like black color, we need to divide this value 6496 divided by 33690 with the total amount. Let's calculate the percentage. So what we can do is we can create one more measure here. We can write sales percentage and then we can use again divide function, and it takes two you can put minimum two parameters. The first is the numerator, that we can use total sales, and denominator is um, all sales, all sales, and we can confirm it. And what we need to do is we have to select sales percentage, and then we need to change the type, this percentage. After this, what we can do is we can put sales percentage as the visual here, and here you can see this is with the help of all function, and we are able to determine percentages for every product, right? So the grand total of all the percentages 100%. So we are calculating everything perfectly. So what happen if I put one slicer, maybe like from the class, if I take the class as a slicer and make it we have just activate the filter here, the slicer filter. If I click deluxe, you can see it is filtering everything perfectly fine. Okay, so what happen if I choose the product color? If I put it here, and I can make it multi selection. Okay, so let's say if I choose few colors and see we are having we are having issue that when I choose first few product color, then the sum is not 100%, and when we are dividing this value, you can have a look. These are 1 2 3 4 5 products, and the total of the 5 products should is 10 8 4 6 5 4 9. But if I have a look here all sales, then I'm getting 33690,148. So this is wrong. Due to all sales function, it is due to the let's go to the all. So due to the all function, it ignores every filter from the color, either filter the current filter, either the filter coming from the slicer. So inside the pivot table or the outside the pivot table, every filter that is coming from the color table, color column, has been ignored by the function that we are using all. So what we have to do is, how we can fix this issue? We have to use all selected. I think the video is getting little bit longer, so we can stop it here, and I will uh, put this selected, how we have to use all selected in the other function, in the other video. And then we will see that how all selected works and what are the other possibilities. If you have any question, you can comment in the box, and let's see you till next video. Bye.